Hey everybody, Tyler here from Equities Lab, and today I'm going to be showing you how Tradier and Equities Lab interact with one another when it comes to buying and selling stocks. Now the first thing we do before we even go in to buy or sell anything is to figure out what we actually want to buy. Now we're going to do that in the Equities Lab platform by creating a watch list. Now what watch lists do is watch lists go ahead and give us a certain amount of stocks every single day that follow these parameters that we set. So we're going to use the perfect Petrovsky score. Now this is ordered by their income statement score, and all of these stocks have a perfect 9 on the Petrovsky score scale. Now we're going to go ahead and do a back test, but before that, we want to rebalance quarterly. I like to not trade every week. I like to go out and do things and not have to worry about sitting behind my computer screen and making trades. So we're going to rebalance quarterly, which is where we're only making trades once every 3 months. From there, we're going to actually do the back test, and it's going to be a 5-year back test from January 1st, 2010 to today. Now backtesting can take a couple of minutes. This one probably won't take very long because we're rebalancing quarterly. It all depends on how many stocks you have in your watch list, and it also depends on how often you're rebalancing. Since we're rebalancing quarterly and we only have 10, it didn't take very long at all. Now, what's awesome about this is we've made 205% over the past 5 years, and we made an annualized return of about 24%. Now that's amazing. It's much higher than any of my mutual funds are getting currently. So once we've done this, let's go ahead and actually look at the backtest report. We're going to be able to see the average trade we made about 2%. Our best months were July 2010. We made 11%, almost 12% that year or that month. Let's see. Let's keep going down. So our yearly returns, we made 11% our first year, 23% our second year, 36, then 10, and then 41. That is a massive return. All right, so now we made sure that this works. We can even look at our positions that we had over time. Go to our positions table and see which actually made us the highest return. Tessero, which is a company I've never really heard of, but they do oil and gas. They're an oil refinery, made us a 122% return over 57 days. So that's great. Everything that I'm looking at points towards the fact that this strategy is great to use, especially over extended periods of time. So now we're going to go ahead and look at one of these stocks that spit out. Time Warner Cable. Great, so I can buy Time Warner Cable now, or I can do a little bit of research. They have Google, Motley Fool, Alpha, Yahoo, SEC, stock charts, and we're going to go ahead and click on Seeking Alpha and just kind of take a look at what the people at Seeking Alpha have to say about it, because Seeking Alpha provides a lot of articles, especially since they allow guest posting, so you can kind of see what the market sentiment is from normal people. So we're going to go ahead and click on this one. We're going to also pretend I did a lot of analysis. And this says 1.5 million people are cutting their cable. That does not give me confidence that Time Warner Cable is going to go ahead and make a lot of money in the future, especially since I believe that this is going to continue happening in larger numbers over time. So we're going to decide against buying Seeking Alpha, and we're going to look at one of the other stock. So how about Finish Line? Let's take a look at Finish Line. Same thing. We're going to pretend I did a lot of research on it. And we're going to go ahead then and save this watch list. So this gets saved to our homepage, which when we go back. And now it shows up right here. So now we're going to go ahead and actually make a trade. Let's go ahead and connect to Tradier. Authorize Equity Stop. Now we do not save any brokerage data in this software. We basically, it's your data, it's your account information. We don't want it. So you do have to authorize and log in every single time. That is for your safety. So I'm going to log in off screen just because it is a little safer that way. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then once you log in, you do need to approve access to the account. All right, now you're going to see a change in what happened on the home page. So now we have our perfect Petrovsky score top 10, and we also have the positions we currently hold in our Tradier account. So we decided not to buy Time Warner Cable, but we did decide to buy Finish Line. So basically all you have to do is open it up and click Buy Finish Line with Tradier. Now we're going to only buy 1 share. Since this is just a demo, so we're going to go ahead and buy 1 share of Finish Line. That's $25. Press OK. And we now hold Finish Line, or we have a order in for Finish Line. So now all that's left to do is wait for the order to be executed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you enjoy using Tradier and Equities Lab and the seamless integration that they have together when it comes to analyzing, buying, and selling stocks. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.